Inside this crate is probably the first thing that I have ever seen all over my Facebook Marketplace ads that I've been like, I want that so bad. It's the Umbrella Arcade wall-mounted arcade. And wow, it actually looks even cooler in person than I expected. This, in a nutshell, is what those Chinese pirate consoles would look like if they were designed and built in America. I'm talking a 16-gauge steel locking cabinet that they refer to as museum quality, Sanwa buttons and joysticks, a Ryzen PC, a 32-inch 1440p LG monitor, and dual 60-watt speakers with a 100-watt amplifier. Of course, with American build quality comes an American price. And the wall-mounted arcade is not cheap. Admittedly, she doesn't look like much from the back. The cable management is there. This is an interesting system here. Is this foam structural? Anyway, realistically, this is all hardware that you could easily buy, and in fact, the software is all available for free if you don the appropriate garb. But the value add here is in the integration and the presentation, which is from the front. And they also say that they'll offer lifetime support for the device, which is gonna be a huge value if you're not the kind of person who wants to configure all of this tomfoolery for yourself and then figure out what's wrong if something breaks. They boast plug-and-play support for over 70 consoles with over 20,000 games pre-installed, 2,500 of which are arcade classics. They also support wireless controllers. It comes with a couple of PS2 controllers, I think, but it should also support Xbox controllers and even out-of-the-box support for Wiimotes, which, again, I remind you, can easily be configured if you're into that sort of thing, but could be a little more convenient if it's just already working. So Bell, all we gotta do now is finish this unboxing and maybe get it mounted to the wall. Comes with hardware, right? Ah, yes! The mounting hardware is cable managed into the back. Oh, wow. I think this box is just the box for the mini PC. Do you have this? And then they just put a sticker for umbrella on their thing.
Smart.
Reduce, reuse, recycle, right? Oh, to Linus. My name is Zach. I've been a fan of yours for a long time. My dad actually found one of your videos, which is now 11 years old. I work closely with Paul building these arcades and wanted to say thank you. Oh, super cool. If you have the time, I'd love a response, but do understand that you're very busy. Well, here's the response. Thanks, Zach, for putting together our arcade. I'm really looking forward to checking it out. Also in here, we've got a couple of DualShock 2 controllers. Third party. Wall hardware, RCA to 3.5mm cable, USB micro charger for our, nope, the controller does not use USB charging, extra HDMI cable, and some accessories for our mini PC, including a random, oh, and got 2 heatsink. I also got this sticker. So this is it. It's always interesting to see where people's blind spots are. As handy persons, you know, who make stuff, I guess they assume this will be self-explanatory, and they assume their audience is gonna be people who are, you know, good at this, but not so good at this. Well, today they found the opposite.
Where do the command strips go?
Yeah, right. Okay, so I do think it is fairly self-explanatory. We're gonna put these onto the wall like so, and then we're gonna slide that onto there, and that's it. We're gonna have to find some studs. Boop, 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 boop. Yeah.
Okay, ask where we're gonna install it.
Oh yeah, where are we installing this?
You gotta ask.
Yeah, I'm asking. Where are we installing this?
Well, now I interrupted you.
No, where? Nope, editor used that. I'm not asking him again.
Well, I have a surprise for you. Hold this.
Sure. Oh. Wow. I would genuinely love to help you, but I have to hold up this arcade,
The full plane cut where it's just me trying to get the wall over.
This is a delightful wall though. So there's a couple studs there and there's a outlet mounted to one of the boxes. How does this outlet work?
Like any other outlet.
Oh.
Hey, don't show this. Don't show this.
That is not like any other outlet. My goodness. You know there's power over here, hey, Bell?
Why put such a long cable if we're not going to plug in over here?
Nice. Okay. Bell, what are you thinking for height?
Yeah, that looks about right.
Okay, so about that much higher than that. We got a tape measure? Let's say about 42 inches. Do they have recommendations? Do they have a guide on their site or like?
Yeah, we got a guide.
What? There's a guide? Why didn't you say something when I pointed out the lack of instructions?
You said you were handy. I thought you didn't need it. Oh,
Okay.
there's heights, yeah.
Yeah, but of course there are. It also says all the stuff you need. Here, you can play the role of my son.
Finally, a father figure.
Yeah, there. Put in all the bolts. All right, we ready, boys?
Yeah.
This seems like a two-person job.
Hey, there you go. There's 2 here.
All right, see you later.
Thanks, Glenn.
Yeah, where are we supposed to grab onto this thing from? This is,
Did we just lift
That
on the
was-
inside?
yeah, that was not well considered. Okay, so we just, well, I guess we should probably plug it in now. It would be nice if they had a channel where you could get this cable out if you wanted to mount it like over here, but the outlet is over here kind of thing. As it is, they want you to mount it right over top of the outlet, but that might not necessarily work for everybody.
Do you want to talk about how it also takes up an entire outlet?
Oh, yeah, that's a good point. I only thought about just the inflexibility of positioning it, but yeah, that's a really good point. Whoa, hey, just noticed the power bar in there? Not grounded. Shout out Nene from the ECC squad. So if you have one of these units and yours also isn't grounded, you might want to reach out and they'll get you sorted out. They are planning to fix it for all future shipments. So, haha, back to the video. Okay, let's lift her.
How do we get it close enough?
I don't know, my hands are... Here. No, I got it, we got it. No, we have to do it with 2 people. No one's gonna have 3 people.
All right, I'm out.
Okay, it's gotta come up a little more.
Up?
Okay, did it?
You can't even touch the bottom.
Okay, is it up enough? I don't think it's up enough. Let's just get it up higher. There we go. Okay, and then, wait for it. I gotta get my arm out of here. I think it's on. Is it in there? Okay. I kind of wish I'd measured the height myself because this is a little tall for me. It's not turning the way I would expect it to turn. How do we power the computer on? If we can't get this open.
That's not the instructions.
Yeah.
Oh.
Okay, in fairness to me, look, normally with this style of key, okay, it would go to the other position and then you would pull it out to keep it locked. This one goes over here and cannot be taken out when it's unlocked, and then there and it's locked. So I think it's configured this way so that you never accidentally leave it unlocked because you can always see that the key's in it when it's in the unlocked position and you can only remove the key when you lock it. It's actually kind of smart. While it's booting up, now would be a good time to talk about the software that it's running. It's using Batacera. This one's running Linus apparently, and that comes with a ton of benefits, including retro game achievements, game artwork, and box art with the ability to easily add or remove games, and it'll just automatically scrape your media library and then populate all of that stuff. They officially support just plugging in an additional drive so that you can throw on any additional games. Anything before about the PS1 era, it should be library complete as it is out of the box. But beyond that, it's a bit more selective and you may have to kind of juice up your library yourself. It is only a 4 terabyte drive. Or another way of saying that is a massive 4 terabyte drive, 20,000 titles they say. So this is it. This is where it dumps you. It supports lots of major consoles, including ones we're not going to talk about today. Before we try any games though, I'd like to tell you about our sponsor. Motion Gray. Their Ergo 2 is one of the most affordable options for a sit-to-stand desk on the market, making your next work or gaming station upgrade even cheaper. It has a weight capacity of 176 pounds and a height adjustment range of 28 to 46 inches, powered by a silent but powerful electric motor. The whole setup even ships out in one box with all the tools you need for assembly included. So pick one up using our link for an exclusive 15% off on top of any other discounts you might find. We'll have that linked down below.
I like the matte screen. Very, very nice.
Hey, they've got some CRT filters. Doesn't look as good as some of the newer ones that are more designed for OLEDs, but it's something. Are you gonna
my start button
press start at some point? Oh, here, hold on. Did I break it? Your board is not lit. Oh, now it's lit up. Okay, did it just need the old unplug and replug? Oh. Okay, you're player one now.
Okay, so does this one not do anything?
Oh no. Press start.
Maybe another coin's needed? These things love coins. You know, I didn't want to play anyways. It's like a dumb game.
I think the problem is that I pressed one player start, so we just need to restart the software. Do we know how to do that? Okay, well, while we wait for instructions for how to enable 2 players, I'm gonna go ahead and play by myself. No, stop it. Bet. What the? I don't know what any of the buttons do, but I'm winning by punching really fast. Let's go! Oh, what? There's another. Joystick feels great. I mean, it's Samo joystick. Hard to go wrong. Okay, he broke my combo. How do I kick? Where's my kick button? It's gotta be in here somewhere. Oh, and I'm dead. I might need something a little slower paced in order to get my bearings here. Okay, here we go. Blah, 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 blah. All right. Okay, so how do we close the game? We need this controller. We'll figure that out. Oh, shoot.
One more time.
Accidentally pressed the button. After a couple false starts, we've figured out the interface. Due to some idiosyncrasies in Batacera, which their support was able to walk us through, it seems like this Player One PlayStation clone controller is the only one that can exit a game. So you hold mode, you press start. That can be reconfigured if you want to use these controllers instead. In fact, you can go in the menu and you can do basically whatever you want as far as controller assignments and all that goes. Also, when we accidentally unplugged one of these, it reordered our controllers and messed things up. So we should be good to go. You ready?
Fight.
I'd love to have like a little mount for these like next to it or something like that. That'd be kind of cool.
All right, if I win, you have to subscribe to ShortCircuit. And if you win, all right, let's play.
All right, and I'm just a complete cheeseball.
I'm gonna be Zangief.
Yep, you can't beat Dalsim. His reach is unparalleled. Stop it, you're mean. Don't be mean to me. Oh my God, you're kicking my butt. Do you know how to play this game?
Oh,
like, is that the
Street
issue?
Fighter.
Oh, okay, because I do not this game.
No! Give him the old twist. Yeah!
All right, you got me there. Time for our next game. How do we steer? Oh, dude, I'm so winning this.
Yeah, just by crashing to the wall. Oh, I'm getting pushed. I'm going the wrong way now.
Can you steer?
No.
I still think I win.
I mean, you did get farther.
I'm not wrong.
Yeah, I would say that.
Okay,
it does make sense.
it's 1-1. You get to pick the next game.
Oh boy. I want to play Amazing Maze. Up to 2 people can play at a time. You good at mazes, Linus?
I don't know about that.
I'm amazing at them. No, that wasn't my best. That was my best. Cut that, cut that, cut that.
Oh, you're getting roasted, dude. You're so done. You're so done.
Well, if I had known, if I
You're
had
done.
known,
You're out. You're
I was
done.
trying
You're
to get down here.
Oh, dude, you're so done.
I thought
Well, maybe you should have figured out where the exit was, smart guy.
Oh my goodness, this maze is so big.
This
The other one
maze
was
is
so easy.
ridiculous. Yeah, the last one was like whatever, and
Oh,
this one is
no.
like not whatever. Which isn't to say I'm not gonna win. I'm just saying that it's not whatever. You know?
Oh no, we're gonna pass each other. That's not good.
Well, what's not good about it? Oh, the fact that you were right by the entrance. I thought you said you were amazing at mazes. Let the record show he said that.
There's no proof. I'm amazing at them.
Okay, well, I'll let you pick again. You lost, so.
I really wish there was a way to just filter by how many players. Okay, perfect. I'm gonna choose a game I know I'm good at. Bonkers.
This is just Snake.
To an untrained eye, maybe.
All right.
Bigfoot Bonkers.
Are my controls working? Oh yeah, my controls are working.
Okay, don't touch the feet.
Oh, feet are bad.
Feet are bad. And I died somehow. I exploded. There's no way. You're gonna screw up at some point. Oh no, I've done an awful job.
Let's go! Let's go!
All right, play something new or play something more. We haven't played a single new game. These are all your childhood games.
This is from 1976.
Aren't you?
No.
All right, put on like PS2 or something. I want to see this try something newer.
PS2.
Yeah.
What do you want to play? Final Fantasy 12? Are you a competitive Final Fantasy 12 player? Oh, Madden. Madden 2005.
Sure, is that quick to get into?
I have no idea. Okay, so we need to use the controllers for this. The way that the controllers are configured is in MAME, it defaults to these for player 1 and 2, and in anything else, it defaults to these for player 1 and 2. And that's why you need to use this one to exit games. We can configure it though. We can unlock the interface, remove everything but like arcade games, and then lock it again with a code so that anyone who comes up and uses it, they just play arcade games and they only need these and we don't need to worry about this, which is probably what I would want to do, I think. Okay, I'm orange. All right, heck yeah, let's go.
I gotta say, this feels pretty good on the hands. Like for metal, it's not cold.
Yeah, just
Not too rough.
the finish of the front is...
I kind of like the rough look.
Yeah, I don't think that's on purpose.
Oh
Did
no.
we just close the game?
I think it crashed.
Expect game compatibility to be a little hit or miss, just like any retro DIY emulated thing. I don't love how many games have crashed for us so far, but we did tell them, hey, we had a couple games that crashed and they're looking into them, so your mileage may vary.
Tennessee.
This looks pretty good for 2005. Well, some parts of it.
Oh no.
I think she crashed.
Oh, it took the whole computer down. Oh.
Hey, there we go. All right, we're back to the interface. Okay.
Want to play Dreamcast? One of my favorite games of all time is Dynamite Cop for Dreamcast. I used to play it on the BC Ferries arcade all the time. Okay, there are quick time events, so don't mash too much when we're not doing something.
Okay, I need to figure out the buttons, dude. Okay, there's kick, boom. Punch, kick. Wait, what?
Oh no, you don't push buttons. Remember, there's quick time events.
But I've told you I'm trying to figure out the
my
controls. Oh, I got a microphone stand. Boom, let's go. Boom, boom, boom. Oh yeah, oh buddy. Bop, bop, bop.
Yeah.
Whoa, I can swing this dead guy. Whoa, I threw the dead guy. This game's sick.
Okay, ready? Whoa.
I'm ready.
Caution.
Okay, all right.
Down.
I did.
Let's
Success.
go.
Let's
You jumped
go.
through the window. Oh
Oh, I see.
my goodness. Do you see why like 8-year-old me loved this?
Yeah.
So that's Dreamcast. Some issues, not too bad though.
Overall, I'd say this solution sits somewhere in between configuring and building something for yourself and buying something pre-packaged ready to go. Because it's clear that if they want to make it all the way to pre-packaged, there needs to be a little bit more testing and validation into the games that they actually claim that they support. But they do a lot of the work for you compared to setting something up for yourself from scratch. So the question becomes, does the cabinet, the pre-setup, and especially the support after the fact justify the price, which is, what's this configuration, around $4,500 US?
$43.80 and shipping, which is about $400.
So it's not cheap, but when you compare it to the kind of money that people will spend on bougie pieces for their man caves, it's also not completely outlandish. I will let you guys be the judge, and like everything that we look at here on Short Circuit, I will have it linked in the video description. If you guys enjoyed this video, make sure you subscribe.